Hello everyone. This movie has been made for the sake of the practices of my own English. Despite of my poor English, I want help you actively for you who have some troubleness with human relationship or for you who have suffered about how to achieve your own goal. If there are some proper English grammar or proper English usage, please comment in my YouTube without any hesitation. So what kind of the people are targeted in this movie is law attraction cannot enable you to succeed, or even you are confidential person, but still you cannot achieve your goal, or simply for you who cannot achieve your own goal. Through this movie, what you can benefit from is the rule of law attraction is doubtful, or the important mindset if you want to achieve your goal. The summary of this movie is 1. It is okay for you to consider optimistically to achieve your goal. However, you need to pay attention carefully your process to the goal realistically. 2. You need to pay a lot of attention for the obstacle or the process for your goal concretely. As an example, you need to put the exact number into your goal. Your plan should be always fulfilled with when, where, what, and how, what the extent. The law of attraction has the mistake, which is if you imagine that your own goal or successful life, then you can actually succeed it. But what is the mistake about law of attraction is 1. Thinking optimistically about your goal itself. 2 is thinking optimistically about to overcome your obstacle or your process. The law of attraction failed to distinguish between the achievement of goal and the process for the goal. This is a mistake of law of attraction because there is entirely different from to considering about achievement your goal and the considering about the overcome the process or the obstacle for the goal. So although it is okay to consider optimistically about the goal to achieve the goal, however, it can be the negative effect for you to consider optimistically to obstacle or process. In some experiment, it has proved that the more confident the people are, the less they succeed. Some experiment which intend to stop the smoking habit, the people who notice that they are very weak from the attractiveness by the tobacco or smoking is more succeeded than the people who have confidence not to be weak by the attractive of the tobacco. This is to say the people who pay attention about the attractiveness of the tobacco are likely avoid the places to smoke. But on the other hand, the confidential person are likely to stay in the places to smoke because they might strongly believe they are strong from the attractiveness of smoking. So based on that, you need to very realistically consider about how you make the plan. There is 3 important points when you make the plan. Firstly, you need to make your goal concretely. It is a failed process to make the goal. For example, to succeed the lose the weight or increasing the school score. This kind of goal is very ambiguous. We cannot know what the extended the goal are required. So that is why you need to put exact number. For example, losing the weight by 3 kg. The increasing the 5-point score in every subject of the school. Secondly, you need to consider about the exact the obstacle, exact the process realistically. For example, when you decide that your goal losing the weight by 3 kg, then you need to pay attention. For example, standing for additional food, additional meal, or moderate exercise. In the study cases, you need to study every day, or also you need to stand for any attractiveness such as games or TV or YouTube. Number 3, the curriculum always should always focus on when, where, what, and what extended. The reason why the people fail to a customization on the curriculum is because they fail or they miss the opportunities to do so. In your mind, you might think that, oh, I should exercise. However, you did not decide exact the when, exact the date to exercise. Therefore, you always are taking huge guilty, which leads to fail to your goal. So that is why you need to set up when and what extended and how. For example, in the Wednesday and in the midnight 6 times o'clock, you need to run around your house by 3 times. Or when you get home, as soon as possible, you should see the 2 pages of your vocabulary textbook. Through these 3 methods, you can success your curriculum or your goal. Thank you.